Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to take a look at tuna fish. So let's get started. Go right into your battle pass. From here, you're going to see tuna fish. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see character styles. So right now what we're going to do is unlock this style right here. And we're just going to claim that reward just by holding on to X. So here we go. We can equip this, by the way. So just by pressing equipped. And we could take a look at it. Or we can go to the next one that we also unlocked, which is this one down here below. And same deal, just gonna hold on to X to claim it. Here we go. I can also equip this or just claim, same thing. At the moment I could equip it so you guys could see it, or just claim it and then put it on later on. However, in this case, I'm gonna go on and equip it just so you guys can see it. And here we go, let's just go back, and that's how it looks like. Now if I wanted to look at any other one, I can just go back to my locker. I can just change the style, and then from here I can see any styles that I have unlocked so far. I have a lot more to unlock. So right now, let's just click on this one. That's the other one that I just got. I could go back. So as long as I save and edit, I can just go back and take a look at it as well. Anyways, that would be it for these skins. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.